Hi everyone, welcome back. Thanks for clicking to this video. Today I'm going to share with you all how to make PalmNut extract for cooking. This is very easy and very quick. So firstly, I'm going to rinse my banga. I'm going to wash my banga very well. Then after I'm done washing, I will transfer it into my cooking pot. Then I'm going to cook this until it is very soft and tender. So guys, this is me checking if the burger is nicely cooked. So at this point, I'm going to strain out the water, then transfer it into my mortar. You can use food processor if you have a strong food processor for this, but I'm going to be doing it in a local way. So I'm just going to pound this very well, okay? So guys, this is what we are going to be working with. So I'm just going to rinse the pistol with some water. Then when I'm done with it, I'm going to add water into the banga. Then I'm going, after adding the water into the banga, just the way you are saying, then I'm going to use my hand to squeeze out. Should I say the juice? Yes, I'm just going to use my hand to squeeze it out, just the way you are saying on the video, okay? So at this point, it's not to squeeze out the juice from the PalmNut. So I'm just going to squeeze it out. I'm going to be repeating the same process. I'm going to add a little water again to rinse the PalmNut. Then I will take out the juice, just the way you are seeing, okay? So this is the second time I'm going to add a little water to finally squeeze out the juice from the PalmNut. And guys, if you are new here, thanks for clicking to this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you all. Keep watching, keep liking, and keep commenting. I really do appreciate you all, guys. Thank you. So at this point, we are done with everything. So this is very easy and very quick. You can use this to make your banga stew, banga soup, banga rice, and that's it. Very easy and very quick. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like this video. So I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye guys.